Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, IANN DIOR, crazy for you. Okay, so this one is a very straightforward song. We have the A minor, F, C, and E, 4 chords, and one simple strumming pattern, that's it. So let's dive into the chords. You see there, no capo here for this one, so let's look at the A minor. Start there with open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the F next, that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the first fret, that's where you place your index finger. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is E, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Okay, so let's look at the strumming pattern. Over to the A minor there, and one string around will be down, down, up, down, up. That's it. So that is one round. I'm gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, so like that. And the chord progression will be A minor, F, C, and E through the entire song here. So slowly, one round of chord progression goes like this. When I play the strumming here, I like to play the first down a little more on the bass to really highlight the bass notes of the chord, and then down up down up. You can play it a bit lower down on the mid top string area. So bass down up, that's what I think. So standard tempo, it goes like something like this. IANN DIOR is crazy for you, and if you're crazy for IANN DIOR, stay tuned here on Gordon Guitar. He will be back for sure. So till next time, play tuned.